Welcome to the Kit Stop for Schools demonstration for the FK109 2 LED flasher kit and some of its applications. Here is an assembled kit in its standard form. As you can see, the flash rate is easily adjustable. Some people like to attach the LEDs to long flying leads for use in models and other housings. Here is an assembly being prepared for use inside a lighthouse. You'll notice that with this kit, the LED is not flashing symmetrically. The green LED is on for much longer than the red one. This is achieved with just simply changing one resistor. Support notes from us are available on how this is done, and this is also an interesting extension activity in understanding resistors and capacitors in timing circuits. We've also built a few demonstrations where we have used the lights in conjunction with our greeting card recorder module. This kit forms a part of our popular 6 Starter Pack Bonanza, which offers a graduated learning into electronics. For pricing, availability and more information on this kit or any of our other kits which we offer, please visit our website. Links to our website and all our email contacts are all listed in the description section below this video. Thanks for watching this, and please feel free to visit our website or drop us an email.